This video gives a quick overview of the Soundslice player that can be used in conjunction with your drum lessons at Beats Drum Studio. Let's take a look at some of the features of the player. The first thing to look at is how to play, and we can do this by a variety of means, but the simplest way is to select anywhere in the notation and click the spacebar. And you can see straight away that the playhead follows along with the notation. You can click anywhere and the video and the audio will play back from that point. People always told me. This is a great way to navigate around the score whenever you're trying to practice and to learn new parts. Another really useful feature is the ability to change between different recordings or different videos. So in this first example, I'm playing the full mix recording, but I can change that by going down to this menu and I can select drums only. And when I select a point in the chart and press the spacebar, you'll see that it now plays back just the drums. And if I go back and change this to the full mix, and again select the same point, this time you can hear that it's playing the full mix. I can change the speed of the playback. So if I want to practice a particular section slower, I can adjust the speed down here by clicking on this arrow. I said don't mind, but what do you mean? I can of course speed it up also. We will dance on the floor and around. One of the most useful features of the Soundslice player is the ability to loop a section. To do this, I just select these two bars that I'm going to loop and I drag my cursor across and I start playback. Billie Jean is my lover. Billie Jean is my... As you can see, I can loop that back and forward and play along, slow it down to really get into the details of it if I find that particular section tricky. Billie Jean is my lover. Billie Jean. Another really useful feature is the ability to drag certain parts of the screen to make them bigger and smaller. So this is really particularly useful if you're on a laptop or you're on a mobile or a tablet. You can make it fit your screen. If I click this button here, I can have a side-by-side view. Or click here, and I can have an on-top view. The gear section, the settings section, gives me access to lots of really useful features. The zoom feature, where I can zoom in and out. And a really useful one is use horizontal view. And this will allow me to play horizontally as opposed to vertically.